ACF actually start? Where did the money come from?
From my salary.
Oh, so फिर all जो 4 बाकी jobs थी उसके पैसे से
जी
you started
उस
this.
टाइम पे बस मैंने ACF को रजिस्टर किया था एक नॉन प्रॉफिट.
टोल प्लाजा तो बहुत दूर है.
हाँ, और मैं अकेले एक रेंटेड गाड़ी में वहाँ पे जाती थी रात में.
Oh my
And I used to not tell my mother, and I used to go off. I was very reckless. I don't recommend this to anyone.
God. Oh, okay.
To be a 24-year-old, such a reckless young woman. But I know if I said this to anyone really, they'd always discourage me. You know, I was obviously laughed at. Like, what are you trying to do? Don't waste your time. It's not going to work out. And this was from everyone. I think, you know, I think it takes like. You can't expect other people to realize what you are seeing. And it's okay, I don't expect anyone to. And it's okay if there wasn't that kind of support because it came when they could see it. But I think for a person who has a certain vision, and that's what I tell everyone, not
You rented
everyone.
this place in Toll Plaza?
Yeah. So I was managing it. I hadn't rented it. I was managing it. But I used to go and pick up the animals myself. जो रोड पे होते थे. मेरी रेंटेड गाड़ी में एक अजीब ड्राइवर के साथ और एक वॉलंटियर वेट जिसका नंबर मैंने रोड पे देखा था. And I just called him saying, hello, can you please work with me? I was so, oh my God, when I think about it, I've put myself in some very reckless situations in the need to help. And I didn't realize that because I guess I'm so used to putting myself in danger or not putting myself feeling danger around me that I didn't realize I was in dangerous situations until now that I'm old and I'm just like, Aisha, what were you thinking? I was nuts.
But I think that's the young and the restless and the young and the reckless. That I think the courage sometimes just comes, or maybe we are reckless and we think we can get away with it. But it's also जब कोई अच्छा काम कर रहा होता है ना इंसान तो कुछ दरवाजे वैसे ही खुल जाते हैं आपके लिए.
You know, I think वो बहुत true है. And I think the thing is like I say it's reckless now, but at that time it was honestly just a pure innocence to help.
Yeah.
Because I couldn't feel that. Maybe it's selfish because I don't want to feel that way. I wanted to sleep. Maybe I am. This is what I keep thinking. Maybe I'm a very selfish person because I even do this to get peace of mind. So, you know, it's
how is it selfish when
because
you are
I'm doing it
rescuing?
for my own peace of mind. Like I need the peace.
I don't think that
Maybe
that
that
could
makes
be
me
the only
selfish.
thing. I mean, if you're studying philosophy, literature, journalism, psychotherapy, these are things that help people. Like I'm not saying that any other profession doesn't help people. Like, hopefully this podcast will help people too, or help the animals in your foundation, or just some little girl who's sitting there वो भी सोच रही है कि मुझे ये करना है.
जी, I really hope so, yeah.
वो ये सारी चीज़ें, हर चीज़ जो भी यहाँ पे बंदे बैठे हैं वो भी अपना काम कर रहे हैं. तो in their way, whatever, we all contribute. So I think, you know, it's not selfish, it's your path. It's your journey, and it always comes from inside of you. If you're
but I feel bad when people say that, you know, you're doing such a selfless job. But what people don't understand is that I also do it because it's selfish and that it gives me so much peace. So it becomes almost addictive. The kind of peace you get when you can see एक चमक जो वापस आती है, एक abused animal जिसको सिर्फ दर्द पता है, and like he has never experienced maybe even like an iota of peace in his life. His body is just like this, it's stiff, and that's all I see. And then when you see how slowly over time just relaxes, and for example it's a dog, ठीक है, रोड पे जो कुत्ते होते हैं उनकी टेल कभी वैग नहीं होती because they're always sad or they're always stressed. तो जब मेरे शेल्टर पे वो आते हैं, वो इतने डरे हुए होते हैं, उन पे तेज़ाब फेंका गया है, उन पे पत्थर मारे गए, कुछ ना कुछ तो हुआ है, and then you just sit with them and then they slowly get to know you, और फिर अचानक से their tail just starts moving, they're like, what's that? What? And they don't know what this means, and they're so confused because it's a reflex for them, right? When they're happy, and they can't connect that. Oh wait, I am happy. So it's the cutest thing when you're like, oh wait, what? And so the dog is just he doesn't realize his tail is wagging, and when he realizes, wait a second, I am happy right now. I'm not in any pain. This is amazing. And he gets to eat anytime he wants and drink water anytime he wants. He's not drinking gutter का पानी. जब आप देखते हैं उनकी आंखों में, जब वो पहली दफ़ा साफ पानी पीते हैं, ठंडा पानी, they're like, what, this is like
something
amazing.
new I can this exists.
और वो
so-
कचरा नहीं खा रहे, वो प्लास्टिक नहीं खा रहे, और वो एक्चुअल खाना खा रहे हैं. And they're just like, oh my God. And you just see this realization in their mind that, oh my God, this is something good. And the funny part is, जो उनकी rehabilitation होती है, वो उसी के through होती है, कि they just are so grateful that they get to be
For the
alive.
basics.
Yeah, and it's just so amazing because it doesn't take a lot, you know, to make, and that's why I guess I love animals never disappoint. They, I mean, people disappoint, let's be honest, you know, people have that, because with people it's a transaction relationship always. With animals, it's literally one side, it's so pure. And they give you the purest place. I have like 1,500 animals right now. But when I'm around them, like I'll be like a businesswoman, disciplined, this, that, everywhere else. But the moment I'm with them, I'm like a kid. And you can be playful and silly, and no one judges you, and they just want to be silly with you. And it's like I get to be a kid when I'm with them. So they give you that space to sort of be who you are and be however you want. They don't care what you look like, what you're wearing, who you are, what you do. They don't care. And it just takes so little to make them so happy. And that just fills me with so much gratitude, because it just makes me so grateful that I am healthy. And I'm so thankful every day. Every day I'm just like, thank you, I'm healthy. I thank God that, you know, I get to eat well, I'm healthy. Like, these are what we maybe sometimes take for granted. But for me, I see so many go without it, and it's such a luxury for so many. And I'm always in the state of gratitude as well. So I think that helps you sort of see those who, you know, deserve that as well quite a bit.
So just going back to the question, so when you came back, you
Ji.
wanted to open this shelter,
Yeah,
right?
I came back for it.
And then you did
But I
four
know
other
what
jobs.
I was doing,
और फिर इतने पैसे जमा कर लिए कि टोल
नहीं,
प्लाजा
मैंने एक्चुअली पैसे जमा भी नहीं किया. I was just going with it as I went along. So I was just like, oh, I'll just register. So I got in touch with the lawyer saying, how do you register an NGO? And I didn't even know any of this. I didn't know
But you did it,
anything.
हाँ,
हाँ, और लेकिन
NGO,
कोई
okay.
प्लान नहीं था, कुछ आइडिया नहीं था कि ये कैसे होता है. I didn't.
ACF कर दिया.
Yeah, I literally named it that because I didn't know what to call it, because I didn't know what it was going to be.
That's fine.
I was just like, okay, whatever, we'll just name it anything.
And then from the lawyer, you then, I mean, पैसे तो जमा करने होंगे ना, क्योंकि
पैसे
रेंट
जो भी
की
मेरी
जगह.
सेविंग्स थी ना, ये पहली जगह रेंट पे नहीं थी. मैं उसकी मेंटेनेंस और मैनेजमेंट करती थी. मीनिंग कि आई डिडंट पे द रेंट, लेकिन जो उसके ऊपर जो भी खाना आता था, मेंटेनेंस होती थी, केजेस आते थे, दवाइयाँ आती थी, आई कवर्ड everything. I just didn't pay rent.
It was already a place there.
It was just a place, that had like open space. So I would just pick up
told
animals.
me. Was it you told me, I think a while ago, long time ago. It was Idi Sattar's place.
Yeah,
Yes?
they were calling it a shelter, but there wasn't any work being done. So I had gone and asked if I can
But it was
maintain
for
and
animals.
manage it. Yeah, it was for animals. But
So
they really-
basically they were rescuing people also, but they were also
this
had been
place
given a
was,
place.
I think it was just like allotted land.
Yeah.
लेकिन वहाँ पे कुछ होता नहीं था.
हाँ, I
such
think तुमने मुझे
activities.
बताया
Yeah.
था कि I went there, 4-5 कुत्ते थे, कुछ भी नहीं था वहाँ पे.
कुछ भी नहीं था. Even वो बहुत
और उनको पता भी नहीं होगा कि कैसे उनका ख्याल रख.
तो I
फिर
was
वहाँ
like,
कितनी देर how long did you work?
I was there. वहाँ पे मैं थी I think almost 2 साल.
Okay.
और बहुत मुश्किल था. और वहाँ पे जो लोग भी आते थे बहुत अजीब थे, और मुझे बहुत तंग किया, हरास किया, बहुत मुश्किल चीज़ें हुई, और मुझे वहाँ से निकलना था बहुत जल्दी से और अचानक से. तो मेरी ज़िंदगी में बहुत दूसरा भी ट्रॉमा ऑफ लाइक ACF is like a story, it's like something on its own, the kind of crazy things that happen. मुझे वहाँ से निकलना था, फिर मैंने जल्दी से एक दूसरी जगह ली. मुझे पता नहीं था कि वहाँ पे एक पूरा जैसे माफिया किस्म का atmosphere था. And I was so young and so naive, and
But
I
so
didn't
brave
know.
also, bhai.
Yeah, it was just me, and it was my manager who's still with me today. Wajiha, और वो मेरे साथ, now it's been 10 years. Like my old people, my core team have been with me since the beginning.
Mashallah.
So I'm
so
very
Vijaya
lucky
was
like
also
that.
like loved animals.
Yeah, she's so cute. She was actually working as an event planner, or she was working for an event planner, and then she just came to me and she was like, I just really want to help. And I was like, look, I don't have any money to pay you right now. She's like, it's okay, whatever is okay. I just really want to help. And I was like, yeah, this girl is not going to stick it out. She's still there. She runs the whole show. It wouldn't exist without her. Like there are those, those core people.
Those people, yeah.
Yeah, I have a few of them without whom like this doesn't exist.
But I'm just thinking, these two girls,
we were just two girls.
like running
It was
around
crazy.
with a Suzuki.
Yeah,
all over
with
town.
the Suzuki, and then we just picked up whatever animals we have. But the whole story is actually a very gory story. But like a lot of my animals, they killed. A lot of bad things happened. उनको खाना नहीं दिया था. बहुत चीज़ें हुई थी. And I really tried to get them out. फिर वहाँ से मुझे हम एक दूसरी जगह पे गए. पर वो हमने foreign setup किया. जो भी पैसे आए थे उस time पे people knew about us. We had a little bit of a Facebook page. There was no Instagram and all of that time. And honestly, I didn't know. Like, you know how people now do stuff to like...
You just keep going. और फिर कहीं ना कहीं से you learn on the way.
And there was no like platform that, I'm going to come on this platform and when I go viral or when someone sees me, I'm going to become famous. Or I was just like, no one even knew what I looked like till like 5 years off ACF because I would like hide myself because I didn't actually want to be seen. I was like, but I think then people need to associate a face with a cause. I was like, okay, then I have to flip because again, I just learned. I didn't really know. So we moved and then we started at this other place. फिर यहाँ पे लोगों ने हमारी बिजली चोरी की, हमारे गेट पे ताला लगाया पीठ बाहर से कि हम अंदर नहीं आ सकें, और फिर उन्होंने पॉइज़न को मीट में डाल के हमारे गेट के ऊपर फेंका and they killed all my dogs और हमको अंदर नहीं जाने दिया और हम बाहर खड़े हुए थे and we could hear our dogs screaming and we kept saying just open. It was very traumatic things that happened.
Were they against the animals being...
it was more like...
because जानवरों के खिलाफ है. I mean, I have a dog sign outside my house, right? And I'm always told कि भाई, this improves the security because people are more afraid of dogs than they are of alarm systems and security
or guns
cameras.
or anything,
Because this fear जो instill हुआ है ना लोगों के दिमाग के अंदर कि animals are bad, or at least dogs, especially dogs. Cats, I don't think there's so much a thing but that dogs are bad. ये बहुत गलत दिमाग के अंदर उनकी चीज़ें बैठी हुई हैं और डरते हैं. एनिमल्स से डरते हैं.
जो मेरे साथ हुआ था was more कि उनको बहुत डिस्कम्फर्ट फील हुआ कि ये लड़की ये जानवरों के साथ इतना काम क्यों कर रही है. तो it was more like feeling offended कि आपने गधों को पंखा दिया है, आप कुत्तों को इतना खाना देती है. And I do whatever the hell I want to do. But it was more like, why are you doing this? और फिर वो मेरी मुश्किल से मैंने पैसे रेज़ किए थे उस टाइम पे कि मैं एक टिन की छत खरीद लूँ because I keep building as I kept raising money. तो I made a टिन की छत और फिर उन सब ने इतने पत्थर मारे और obviously if you hit stones on a छत the dogs are gonna bark, right? Then they would come and complain कि आपके कुत्ते bark कर रहे हैं. I feel like it's also not so much fear as it is hatred. And I don't know if this hatred is a very...
Towards you or
hatred
towards the animals?
About the animals. Or, like there's almost like a hatred towards that. Why do animals get to feel at peace? It's like an animal is always supposed to be in a state of discomfort. And because as I was saying, we are so used to seeing them uncomfortable. तो अगर आप एक stray कुत्ते को खुश होते हुए देखें, it's almost like an offense. इसे हमारे दिमाग और हमारे कल्चर में इतना वो हो गया कि what? He's happy? Like how is this okay? फिर आप उसको मारेंगे to make sure कि he's not okay. So we have it's almost over the years sort of got built into our DNA कि आप animals को constant state of suffering में रखें. तो जब आप उसके against fight कर रहे हैं, that's a very intense sort of a wall that people have placed. That God forbid they are ever okay. Because if they are okay, it's almost like you're getting offended. And I don't know why. Again, I feel like because we're both like entitled space से आ रहे हैं कि we deserve everything, but they don't deserve anything. But that's such a small way of... and it's a very small
आप
way
कहते हैं,
of
कुत्तों की तरह इनको ट्रीट किया है, मुझे कुत्ते की तरह ट्रीट किया, मुझे जानवर की तरह ट्रीट किया, ये हमारे
Yeah.
लिंगो है,
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
राइट?
जी
कि
बिल्कुल
एंड गाली भी देते हैं तो जानवर का नाम
बिल्कुल
लेके देते
या
हैं, राइट? कि भाई ये कुत्ते का बच्चा है, या
हाँ,
कुत्ते,
हाँ.
यू नो, इट्स टेरेबल.
इट इज
इट्स नॉट कि सिर्फ हमारे कल्चर में, बाहर के मुल्क में भी
सबके
यही
मुल्क में है, लेकिन
राइट?
एटलीस्ट बाहर के मुल्क में वो लिटरली नहीं लेते, वो सेपरेट कर सकते हैं कि ये एक स्वेयर वर्ड है जो हमारे लैंग्वेज में है जो वी आर यूजिंग, लेकिन ये यहाँ पे हम लिटरली वही करते हैं. लाइक व्हेन यू नो, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ लाइक अ गाय ट्राइज टू हिट ऑन मी, यू नो, he'll make a stupid joke like, but I'm also like a donkey, take me to your shelter, and I'm just like, you wish you're like a, you know, don't flatter yourself, and you know what I mean. Or like वो तो गधा है, and I'm like no, they
गधे
act,
का बच्चा,
वो बहुत
you know, that's
इंटेलिजेंट
also
होते
another
हैं,
thing.
आप अपने आप को इतना फ्लैटर नहीं करें, बिकॉज गधे एक्चुअली बहुत एम्पैथेटिक, काइंड, इंटेलिजेंट जानवर होते
कहते
हैं.
हैं कि स्टूपिड होते हैं गधे,
हाँ,
स्टूपिड हैं,
exactly.
बीस्ट ऑफ बर्डन.
Yeah, yeah.
उनको बीस्ट ऑफ बर्डन कहते हैं कि सिर्फ वो दे आर स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ टू पुल वेट, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे मिसट्रीटेड
That's
सो
the thing. अगर आप किसी भी जानवर पे वेट लगाएंगे और आप उनको मारेंगे, उनकी चॉइस नहीं होगी बट टू पुल इट. तो ये जो हमने सब सिनेरियोज बनाए हुए हैं, जो गधा गाड़ी है, ये है, वो है, वी इवन स्लेव्ड एनिमल्स फॉर ह्यूमन प्लेजर और फॉर ह्यूमन कन्वीनियंस, राइट?